Darts are typically used to give shape to garments, but I'll show you step by step how to transfer the dart to the waistband and the yoke. So you don't have any dart on the skirt, but still achieve a perfect fit. Hi, I'm Jin. Welcome to Pattern Studio 101. This channel is all about pattern making. Let's make a denim skirt. This one. A-line and midi to ballerina length. It has pockets like jeans and a slit at the center front. On the back, there is a yoke and patch pocket. You see these double stitches, flat felt seam. Watch my video episode 120. I show you how to add seam allowance for this flat felt seam. So for today's lesson, I'm going to draft this skirt from scratch. Let's begin. Draw a rectangle. Horizontal is your skirt length, and this vertical is your hip circumference divided by 2 plus ease. I'm going to add only 1 inch in total hip circumference. So half of an inch is here. Draw your hip line. You know your hip length from the waist to the hip. Find a midpoint at the waist. I'm going to make my back skirt bigger than the front skirt. So my side seam will be a little bit towards to the front. So I moved 1 inch from the midpoint. Draw a side seam. We have to decide dart amount and how much we want to take out at the side seam. This is the half of the hip circumference. In this example, it's 21 inches, which means my hip circumference plus ease is 42 inches. And I'm going to make my waist 30 inches finished. So half of waist is 15 inches. So this is 21 inches. And we are going to make 15 inches waist. So my example is 6 inches different. So calculate your measurement. I have simple PDF instructions on how to calculate dart width for skirt and pants. Head over to my website patternstudio101.com and download it. I'm going to apply a little bit different percentage because in this example, my side seam is way towards the front. Half of my back skirt is 2 inches bigger than the half of front skirt. So my back skirt is way bigger than front. So I want to have a small dart on the front and way bigger dart on the back. But eventually, we're going to remove all these darts. So I made 3/4 of an inch with a dart on the front. And I took out 1 inch and 3/8 of an inch at the side seam. Same 1 inch and 3/8 of an inch at the back side seam. And I have 2 darts on the back, 1 inch and 1/4 with each of them. So here's the percentage. You calculate your half of hip and half of waist. You find out the difference between them. And you make a front dart, 12% of it, and take out the side seam, 23% of each. And for the back dart, 42%. My 2 darts are the same width, but you can make this one bigger and this one smaller, or the same. So total percentage is 42 inches of the difference. Once you figured out the dart width, let's draw a waistline, front first. From the side seam point at the waist, go up 3/8 of an inch. And draw a waistline. And draw a side curve. For the back, from the side point at the waist, go up 3/8 of an inch, same. Let's draw a side curve first. At the center back, go down 1/4 of an inch and draw a back waistline. We are going to make a curved waistband. The waistband width is 1 inch and 3/4. Draw a lines 1 inch and 3/4 distance, back and front. Trace out the front waistband and cut out the dart and make one waistband. And through the waistline, smooth and nice. Do the same thing on the back. Trace it out, cut out the dart, connect them, and through the lines. As you can see, we have the yoke line at the back. Draw a yoke line wherever you want to have. So trace out the yoke parts, take out the dart, connect them, and through the lines. If you have a smaller dart than I drew here, you will have less curved waistband and less curved yoke piece. For the front skirt, I made it pink. Take out this dart amount at the side seam. And I extend 1.5 inches at the hem. It's your design line, so you can go further or less. So the pink is the front, and the back is green. Same as the front, you measure this dart amount and take out at the side seam. And extend the same amount you extend on the front. This is the back skirt. We're going to continue to make this skirt pattern next time. Front and back pockets, fly, slit, etc. If you want to have a PDF written instructions for my YouTube tutorials, go to my website and join my membership. Every Wednesday when my new video drops, I send PDF instructions to your inbox. I put the QR code for every instruction so you can easily find the video tutorials from the PDF instruction. Build your own pattern making library. It's amazing. patternstudio101.com/YouTube. The link will be in the description box. This channel is totally dedicated for young professionals to take their pattern making skills to the next level. Have a wonderful week. See you next time.